In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a mini album that I made with the Cider and Donuts collection from Simple Stories. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful paper. And I will be here real soon, coming soon, I will be showing you how to make this album as well. So yay! So welcome, welcome. I'm Vanessa with Scrapping It Up. And I am so excited to share this album with you. Over on my Facebook page, we done a mini album, and it just had 2 pages in it. And I decided to turn this into a chipboard album instead of a cardstock mini album. This one has 2 pages. This one has 4 pages. All right. And like I said, I will be teaching you how to make this. So it measures 6 3/4 by 8 1/4, and it does have a 2-inch spine, 2 1/4. By the time you get the corners on it. But there's the front, and I used the tags from the collection, just kind of attach some twine to it. And there's the side. Oh, this album turned out so cute. Here I just used the 2x2 cut aparts from the collection. But, oh, it's a beautiful album. So here we have a tag, and we had the rub-ons. So I used the rub-ons. And then I just took some notebook paper. And then again used the rub-ons from the collection. And this is a double pocket. And again, use the rub-ons. Oh, the rub-ons are, this one here is not a rub-on, but that one is. And these just go back in here. I hope you want to make this album because, oh, it turned out so cute. And I did use cream cardstock for photo mats in here. And I did use black cardstock and kraft cardstock. I love that combination together. So that opens up. You have a pocket here. This paper is really amazing fall collection. Then that flips. This flips. Oh, it turned out so beautiful. And then that flips. Okay. So here you have a place for a photo. And then this flips up. And then this flips down. And you have a nice big place for a photograph. Oh, it turned out so cute. And these were just flaps, and we just attached photo mat on both sides. So then this side repeats itself. Okay. And I did close up the pockets, when we attached it. So then we have this, that, then that opens up. And you have a nice pocket here. And I just used the tag from a collection and some rub-ons. So then we have this. But yeah, I just took it. We done this over on my Facebook page. And the spine has, the hinges attached to the spine. So it's a cardstock folio. And we just done 2 pages in it. So then I decided to turn it into a chipboard album with 4 pages. Ah, this turned out so cute. The paper done all the hard work. So then I just stuck some elements inside this pocket. And it's really an easy album to make. And that folds. And then again, we have this feature here. So that flips open. I did use the coordinating cardstock from Simple Stories with this collection. Oops. Oh, it is. I hope you want to make this. I mean, it comes together real easy. Then that flips, and then again we have a pocket here, and I just use a tag and put some twine on it. And it slides back in the pocket. And in the very back, we have again the double pocket. And again, I just used the rub-ons from the collection to decorate the photo mats. But, oh, how darling. So that is my Cider and Donuts album. I will be teaching you how to make this album. So that's going to be coming soon. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you never miss out. And let me know if you would like to learn how to do the cardstock one. I can do that one as well. I did decorate this one with Paige Evans Garden Shop. And it's made exactly the same way. But if you would like to learn how, you can either do the cardstock option or you can do the chipboard option. All right, that's all for this album share. We will be talking to you soon, and the tutorial for this will be coming soon. So, all right, thanks for hanging out with me, and we will talk to you guys in the next video. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.